Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about Xulendo user registration and Xulendo user account setup. At this point, I suppose you might have already asked yourself some questions, such as, how do I register? Or, how do I set up an account with Xulendo for me to access and use its resources? To address these questions, Xulendo is set up to make sure that users can easily access and explore its resources. Therefore, there is no need for users to register or set up any account with Xulendo for them to access and use the resources. But with the need for more education content on the platform, Xulendo supports exceptional user registration and user account setup. These accounts are made by Xulendo experts or Xulendo administrators. And these are the people that utilize the login for administrators feature on the homepage to be able to upload different material to the platform. As we know that good quality resources are key for quality education, I plead with everyone, if you know that you have relevant material that we can be able to upload to the platform so that everyone can access and benefit from it, please reach out to us through WhatsApp or through email so that we can be able to upload your content to the platform. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.